If you're a content creator looking for the best tools to create a thriving creator business, these two platforms are the best places to go. They both offer numerous ways to earn money for their users. But which one is the better choice if you want to start today? In this video, we'll compare HOTMART and NAS.io. These two platforms are ideal for anyone with digital products and services they want to sell. First, let's look at the general differences when using each platform. HOTMART is a platform for selling and distributing online courses, ebooks, consultations, and other digital formats. NAS.io, on the other hand, is a free community platform where creators have more monetization options and different ways to engage with their audience while building their community to foster deeper and more authentic connections. Now, let's dive deeper into these platforms and see which is best to build your creator business. Let's compare their interfaces to see what their user experience looks like. HOTMART's app has two main pages for users: My Business and My Purchases. The My Business page is where creators can sell their digital products and has 8 navigational sections: Home, Products, Marketing, Sales, Wallet, Reports, Partnerships for Affiliates, and Tools. This is where creators can upload or start selling digital products in different formats: an online course, subscription, ebook, online event, podcast, audiobook, and more. The numerous tabs can be overwhelming, and it takes time to get familiar with the interface. And if you need to access features, you'll need to go to another web page. NAS.io has a more straightforward user interface. It is designed to give you the easiest and fastest way to start making money from your community. As soon as you sign up, you can set whether your community is paid or free. The Community Manager portal shows all monetization features: product sections for online courses, one-on-one coaching sessions, paid challenges, events, and Magic Reach for newsletters. Additional tabs include money, members, and settings, making it easy to manage your community subscription, online courses, and digital products. HOTMART requires more time to navigate due to its complex interface, while NAS.io is more intuitive, even for new users and solo creators who want to get started with their online creator business right away. When it comes to monetization, both platforms offer many ways to earn. For this video, we'll discuss 7 main categories both platforms support: subscription membership, online course hosting, one-on-one coaching sessions, community challenges for engagement, digital products, newsletters, and events. Membership subscriptions. HOTMART lets you sell your digital products in a wide range of categories. But let's talk about setting up a membership-based community where you can set different plans for different customers. HOTMART has strong integration features using Zapier. However, Zapier is not free and requires a subscription plan. NAS.io allows you to integrate messaging apps like WhatsApp or other messaging apps for free. As soon as users sign up and complete the payment on NAS.io, they are automatically added to your group chats and communities. Using WhatsApp helps engage your community more since most people are familiar with its features. Both platforms allow app integration, but only NAS.io offers WhatsApp integration, making it easier to invite people to your community. WhatsApp being the most popular messaging app with 2 billion users, you can easily invite people to be a part of your community because there's a high chance that they already have it on their phones. So you can interact and engage with your community anytime. Once you create a community, you will have a landing page where people can sign up and check what your community offers. These landing pages are important too. Let's compare the difference between a HOTMART and NAS.io landing page. HOTMART has a page creator tool for creating sales, landing, thank you, or lead capture pages. NAS.io provides a templated landing page containing all the information potential members need. This highlights community values and not just the creator, making it easier for people to find value and join your subscriptions. Both platforms have native course builders. HOTMART allows you to create different classes for specific groups of students that purchase a particular course. However, managing these classes can be time-consuming for solo creators. NAS.io's online course hosting is straightforward, allowing you to organize content into modules and sessions and upload videos securely on the platform. These courses are available for preview on your landing page for easy access. One-on-one coaching. If you don't have time to create an online course, offering one-on-one coaching sessions is a great alternative. In HOTMART, coaches can create a sales page for their consultation services. They need to update their calendars to manage bookings, which adds an extra administrative step. NAS.io's landing page for one-on-one coaching shows your available time, description, and checkout button. Clients can book and pay for a session directly on the page. If you don't have community managers or admin staff, using a simple yet optimized platform can save you time and energy. Challenges are a highly engaging and interactive way to connect with your community. They encourage participation, foster a sense of accomplishment, and can significantly boost engagement. When participants are actively involved, they're more likely to stick around, share their experiences, and invite others to join. Let's review how HOTMART and NAS.io allow creators to build challenges. HOTMART creators can launch challenges but need to build them from scratch without a template. The structure remains self-paced. So if you're into creating friendly competitions that engage communities, NAS.io designed a challenge builder feature where you can set the duration and checkpoints and invite participants to a group chat. Another exciting feature is the NAS.io mobile app. Your challenge participants can track and update their progress on the go. These challenges are interactive and exciting for community members. And to motivate them to finish what they've started, you can require a joining fee. Anyone can create a digital product nowadays. Recipes, ebooks, and templates have become valuable, but are better opportunities for upselling rather than standalone products. Both platforms support selling digital products. HOTMART lets you store products securely and process purchases. It offers various marketing strategies through email marketing, blogs, social media, and affiliate programs. NAS.io offers a targeted approach for your digital products to reach their market, emphasizing community building over broad marketing strategies. Talking about a targeted approach, let's discuss newsletters. It's a great way to stay in touch with your audience and community members. A subscription-based newsletter is also an added income opportunity for you. Both platforms support newsletters, but their approaches differ. HOTMART integrates with various email marketing tools to support newsletters. It emphasizes traditional email marketing for lead conversion. NAS.io addresses the declining open rates that these types of newsletters are facing. These newsletters could be subscription-based if you want to generate more revenue by sharing your bits with your community. NAS.io encourages its creators to be more intentional with their newsletters so they can create more value and deepen their connection with their community. This platform strategy for a newsletter is fairly new and unique because now the platform supports newsletters to everyday messaging apps, especially WhatsApp, through their Magic Reach. Magic Reach lets you send newsletters to different channels in just one click, which also tracks open rates so you can get insights into your newsletter performance. If you're using WhatsApp, you can access Ruby AI, which summarizes your chats automatically. It keeps you in the loop to help you write newsletters relevant to the current conversations in your community. HOTMART and NAS.io have a significantly different approach when it comes to newsletters. If you are keen on marketing, HOTMART is equipped with the tools. But if you want to establish a connection and promote authenticity, NAS.io offers a warmer approach. Events could be stressful with all the scheduling, selling tickets, promoting, and keeping in touch with the participants. Let's see how HOTMART and NAS.io can make this easier for you. To create an event on HOTMART, you will need to register a new product and choose if it's an online or physical event format. You'll have to fill out additional sections for online events so you can add your live stream link. While it seems extensive and detailed, the process could be overwhelming, especially if you are modifying the access settings. Now let's try organizing an event using NAS.io. On the portal, you will see the Events tab right away. From there, you can create your event, add the date, your cover photo, set pricing, and access. You can limit the capacity, tell participants about your host, and lastly, create an event chat group for updates. You can also create a sign-up form and gain ownership of the members' data. A cool tip is you can use this database to promote your next events, digital products, and services. When you create an event, you are creating an experience between you and the community. The members' experience is not only on the day of the event, but vitally includes the whole process of signing up and being in the loop through a group chat. That's why an optimized yet simplified process is key to its success. All these monetization options from both HOTMART and NAS.io hopefully sparked ideas in you. But the real question is, how much does it cost? You can create accounts on both platforms with no upfront payments, but they have their respective platform fees when you start earning. HOTMART charges 9.9% of the product price for every transaction sale, plus a 0.5 charge for all their supported currencies. If you want to maximize your marketing, the extensions also require subscription plans. NAS.io has a flat 7.9% revenue share, plus payment gateway fees. It's the lowest you can find in the market, and the best part is you can pass it on to members during checkout. NAS.io's straightforward business model benefits solopreneurs and rising creators. Now, the verdict. HOTMART offers extensive options for selling products, but for solo creators, its complexity can be challenging without an admin team. NAS.io is simple, easy, and gives you the fastest way to start monetizing. It allows you to focus on creating deeper connections, giving value, and transforming your creator business into a sustainable and impactful community. Plus, NAS.io offers exciting new ways to monetize, like community challenges, which can drive engagement and growth for your creator business. If you find this comparison helpful for your online creator business, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Build your creator business today.